Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I know this is not my conventional video, but I just couldn't resist posting this. I mean, the glam is not from here. I just went from basic to chic in a snap. The artist behind the makeup is no other person than my cousin sis, AD Brunette of Brunette's Glam House. I'll be dropping her link in the description box so you guys can go to her channel and show her some love. By the way, let me know what you think of the makeup in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you.